projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project titled Decentralized Web Hosting. Introduction. The primary goal of this project is to develop a web hosting system that operates in a decentralized manner. Traditional web hosting methods concentrate data and services on centralized servers, making them vulnerable to downtime and cyber attacks. Single points of control are susceptible to failures, which can lead to significant downtime, disrupting services for all hosted websites. To combat the challenges posed by centralization, the project leverages two core technologies: IPFS, Interplanetary File System, and the Ethereum blockchain. IPFS for decentralized file storage. IPFS is employed to store website files in a decentralized and distributed manner. Instead of storing files on a single server, IPFS breaks down files into smaller, addressable chunks and distributes them across a network of interconnected nodes. This decentralization enhances redundancy, availability, and fault tolerance, reducing the risk of downtime. Ethereum for immutable and secure transactions. The Ethereum blockchain is utilized for its properties of immutability and secure transactions. Smart contracts, self-executing contracts with predefined rules and conditions, are deployed on the Ethereum network. These contracts facilitate secure transactions, automate various processes, and provide an immutable record of agreements and actions, enhancing trust and transparency in the hosting system. Objective. The main goal is to enhance web hosting by transitioning to a decentralized infrastructure, simplifying the process of website deployment while ensuring reliability and accessibility. The project leverages IPFS to achieve decentralized and distributed hosting. Data is broken down into chunks and distributed across a network of nodes, ensuring reliable data availability and access, even in the event of node downtimes. Smart contracts powered by Ethereum blockchain automate crucial processes such as user registration, website deployment, and approval. They also ensure data integrity by linking IPFS-based website addresses to the Ethereum blockchain, providing a robust and secure foundation for decentralized web hosting. Requirements. The requirements of the project are hardware requirements, in which we have processor of 5.5 and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, ROM of 25 GB and above. Software requirements, in which we have Node.js, Python 3.7.0 version, and Visual Studio Community version. Methodology. To implement this project, we have designed the following modules. The first module is New User Sign Up Here. This module allows new users to sign up for the web hosting service. Users provide their details and create an account, enabling them to access the hosting platform. User login. Registered users can log into their accounts using their credentials. This provides a secure and personalized access point for users to interact with the platform and manage their hosting activities. Send hosting request. This module enables users to send requests to the administrator for website hosting. Users can provide details about their websites such as content, purpose, and desired features to initiate the hosting process. View hosted IP addresses. Users can view the IPFS hash addresses associated with their hosted websites through this module. These IPFS hash addresses act as unique identifiers for the hosted content and allow users to access their websites. Admin. This module pertains to administrative functionalities within the decentralized web hosting system. View and approve client requests. Admins can view and evaluate hosting requests from users. They can approve requests based on various criteria such as compliance with guidelines, resource availability, and appropriateness of the content. View users. Admins can view a list of registered users, providing an overview of the user base and enabling administrative actions and management. Blockchain integration. Ethereum blockchain serves as a ledger to record and manage IPFS hash addresses associated with user web applications during deployment. Each IPFS hash is a unique identifier for the content hosted on IPFS. By recording IPFS hash addresses on the Ethereum blockchain, the project ensures data immutability and enhances security. The decentralized nature of blockchain technology prevents unauthorized alterations to the recorded hash addresses, providing a tamper-proof and secure record of the deployed web applications. Integrating blockchain instills trust and transparency in the decentralized web hosting system. Users can verify the validity and ownership of their web content by checking the recorded hash codes on the immutable blockchain. This adds an extra layer of assurance and transparency, building confidence among users regarding the security and authenticity of their hosted content. Execution. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. This is the code folder. This is web hosting folder. Inside this folder are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. This is web hosting app folder. This folder comprises a static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. This web hosting app folder also contains a templates folder. Within the templates folder, we will find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html and more, representing various sections of the website. This folder also contains Python code files that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. This is Hello ETH folder. In this folder, I have Node modules folder. This folder consists of dependencies or modules needed for the project. Open .bin folder. The .bin folder often contains executable scripts related to the project's dependencies. So here, I have run blockchain.py. Double click on it to start the blockchain. This script will initiate the local Ethereum blockchain for development purposes. It contains commands to start the blockchain environment. Now the blockchain is hosted on the local machine at this local host, which is this, and port, which is this. This address allows us to interact with the blockchain using various tools and applications. Now execute the command truffle space migrate. To compile and deploy the smart contracts. Truffle is a development framework for Ethereum that simplifies the process of compiling and deploying smart contracts. They are deployed on a blockchain network and can facilitate various transactions such as transferring tokens or managing digital assets. Once the migration process is complete, Truffle will provide us with a unique Ethereum contract address. So this is the contract address. This address represents the location of the deployed smart contract on the blockchain. This is the gas used to execute the Solidity file and compile smart contracts. This is the amount of gas consumed. Now minimize this. Go to the main directory. This is manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations and more. This is web hosting Solidity file. This file consists of Solidity code. It handles data structures, functions and events with modifiers for validation. This is start IPFS bat file. After deployment, double click on it to start the IPFS server to store images of the application. So we can see that IPFS server is ready and it will run in the background. Now minimize this. This is run server.bat file. Instead of executing the project through command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. Double click on it to start the Django application. The Django framework will host the application locally at the default address, localhost, which is this, and port, which is this. Now copy this local link. I am copying the link. So I have copied the link. Now paste this copied link into any web browser. I usually prefer Google Chrome. And type index.html at the end and hit enter. The homepage of the project is displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Django framework. Now click on new user sign up here to register. So I'm entering the username, password, email ID, contact number and the address. After entering all these details, click on submit. So here we can see sign up process completed and record is saved in the blockchain. Now click on user login to login. So enter the username and the password and click on login. So we have logged in as TrueProjects 8. Now click on send hosting request link to send request to admin. So here we need to enter the website name, which is blogging website, and here we need to give the description for the website. So I'm giving the description. So I have given the description. Now click on submit. So we can see that this request is sent to admin. Now click on view hosted IPFS addresses link to view all the URL of website deployed by this user. So here we can see we got the username, which is TrueProjects 8, and the website name, which is blogging website, and this is the description of the website. And here we can see status of website address, which is pending because this website address is not approved by the admin. Now click on logout. Now click on admin to log in as admin. Enter the username and the password and click on login. So here we have logged in as admin. Now click on view and approve client request link to view the request. So here we can see the username, which is TrueProjects 8, website name, which is blogging website, and this is the description of the website. And here we can see the status of website address is not approved. So click here to approve the website. So here we need to give the path of the website folder. So I'm giving the path. So here I have given the path of the website folder. Now click on submit. So here in red color text we can see website deployed and we got URL with hash code, and we can copy and paste the URL in browser to access deployed web pages. Now again click on view and approve client request to view the request. So here we can see the username, which is TrueProjects 8, and the website name, which is blogging website, and the description of the website. And here we can see status of website address is being converted to the hash code. Now click on logout. Now click on user login link to log in as the user. Enter the username and the password and click on login. So here we have logged in as the user, which is TrueProjects 8. Now click on view hosted IPFS addresses link to view the website. So here we can see username is TrueProjects 8, website name is blogging website, and we can see the website description, and here the status of website address is being converted to the hash code. So if we click here on the hash code, we can directly visit the web page of the website. So I have clicked on the hash code, and here we can see the web page of the blogging application. So in this way, we can deploy and access n number of web pages. The conclusion of the project is, the project achieves decentralized web hosting using IPFS for decentralized file storage and blockchain to manage IPFS hash addresses, ensuring enhanced security and availability. The system enhances traditional web hosting by offering a reliable, resilient and secure infrastructure, overcoming centralization issues through decentralized storage and secure hash management. Integration of smart contracts automates critical processes like user registration and website deployment, improving operational efficiency by reducing manual intervention and potential errors. The platform provides a user-friendly interface allowing easy navigation for users to view, request, and access hosted websites using unique hash codes, promoting seamless interaction with the decentralized web hosting system.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.